Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I'm here up on my next adventure. We're hiking on the Raven Bluffs Trail up in Mission, BC. Anyways, I guess when we get out to the lookout point, I'll check in with you guys later. Okay? See you later. Bye now. Everyone, this is Amy checking in. How's it going? I have arrived to one of the lookout points at Raven's Bluff, and behind me, you can see, is a cabin. Anyways, let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about 6 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 335 meters. Average time will be 3 hours to complete, and it's classified as a moderate hike. So this hike is actually located in Mission, BC. Just showing you the views on here. See the mountains. Look, there's a beautiful view in the background. It's a nice little gem up here. Pretty fun. Anyways, I hope you guys liked my YouTube video. If you guys do, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for my next adventure. Anyways, hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye now.